Hi guys, how to fix Facebook Messenger call ended? First thing, open the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So go to the Messenger right here and then click on Force Stop and then go to the Notifications Management. Make sure to enable all the notifications right here. After that, go back and click on the permissions. Now right here, enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data user, and now make sure right here to enable all these options of the network access. Go back, click on the power usage details, and make sure that power consumption alert option is enabled, and then click on force stop again from here. And the last thing you want to do is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.